Hey VN gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be on this unit that I got from Oh My Pretty Hair, and it is gorgeous. I've been wanting a bust down because I've been doing nothing but C parts, and not only is it a bust down, but it's 28 inches, so she is giving, okay? So yeah, in this video I am going to show you how I got this look, do an unboxing, and then we are going to get into how I got this look, and then I'm going to come back and give you my first thoughts on this unit. So stay tuned if you're interested in finding out the information about this hair. Today's unit is from Oh My Pretty Hair. It came in this pink packaging. It is so gorgeous. Inside is the wig, which is a glueless closure wig. It is 28 inches. As you can see, it's really long, and it is body wave. So when it came to the inside, there were no combs. It just had an adjustable elastic band, which I love because there will be no snagging. It came with a pre-cut lace as well as a pre-plucked hairline. Also inside of the box were goodies. There were a box of eyelashes. I think this is supposed to be like a diamond shape. I thought this was really pretty, and again, it's that pink theme. Also, they had a melting band that says Oh My Pretty, and it is just so pretty. And then there's the wig info, a baby hair brush, HD wig cap, a thank you card, and last but not least, they included this beautiful Oh My Pretty hair bonnet. Okay, so I washed and conditioned the unit off camera. So now we put the adjustable straps on and we tightened it to fit my head. Okay, and now we are applying the unit. As you can see, it already looks natural. Like, you could already see, like, that looks like scalp already, and I didn't do anything yet. Okay, so now I'm taking my powder and we're gonna just put that wherever the lace is, because I do want the lace to match, and I don't want you to be able to see that cap that's underneath this wig on my head. All right, so we're just applying that to the hairline, and I think that made it look so much better. Even though you couldn't see anything, this color matches better. What we're going to be doing is keeping with the body wave texture. So I'm going to be using my this was my last purchase as far as my tools, and it is a crimping iron, and it was very simple and easy. I have another crimping iron, but this one was way easier to use, so I'll probably be using this more often in my videos. Yeah, so we always crimp from the top. You know, you curl your hair from the top. You always start from the top because it just makes it easier. But as far as like sectioning, I always section off and I start from the bottom. Okay, but when you are crimping, you want to start from the root to the ends. So we start at the root and then we go to the ends. All right, and you just keep repeating this over and over. So you start at the root and then you start where you ended the last curl, if that makes any sense. Like, wherever you ended the last curl is where you start your new curl. Crimp curl, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, and I didn't even use any product on my hair. I didn't want crunchy crimps. I just wanted something to look natural and like kind of like a body wave, so we didn't add any product. But if you want it to last longer and you want it to be a little bit more defined, I would recommend that you use some type of product to do that. But me, I just wanted, you know, this worked. Literally, my hair is still like this right now. So it definitely lasts a very long time. I guess until I wash it, it's gonna be like this. So yeah, when it came to the top, I tried to keep it straight as much as possible for about 4 to 5 inches, and then I started the curl. You don't want to start too high because it'll be lumpy. As you can see, I started a little too high, so I go back in with my what is that called, the hot comb, later on, and we just hot comb the top down. because I like it to look straight, like straight and flat on my head, and then the waves start, because it looks way more natural that way for me, and it looks more flattering in my opinion. Like, you don't want the curl to start from the top. That's gonna look weird. So I did use the wax stick to do that, so that's where you see me hot combing the top, because I felt like it looked lumpy. So this is my finished look. As you can see, it came out so pretty. It definitely looked like body wave. It is moving, it has a lot of body, a lot of movement. It is long, it is luscious, it is everything that your bust down needs and more. Okay, so I'm back with my finished look, and this is how it came out. I love it. It just it's just giving. Look how long, look how full, look how soft. Oh my god, I wish I could feel it. Oh my god, this hair is gorgeous. Okay, so this hair is from Oh My Pretty Hair, and honestly they had me at the packaging. The packaging was pink. Not any pink, but my favorite pink. So it was just given. I loved it. But anyway, the hair was beautiful straight out the packaging, but y'all already know I always wash and condition my units when I get them, and I use the Herbal Essences Hello Hydrations to do that. So this unit is body wave, and it is 28 inches, and this is a glueless lace closure wig. Being that it's body wave, I wanted to keep with that look, so I did some crimps using my my crimp iron that I have. So in the front, it hits me at like the middle of my stomach, and then the back it comes up to the bottom of my butt. Honestly, this hair is flawless. I have no complaints. There's nothing bad I could say. It's not tangling, snagging, it's not matting up, it's not doing any of the above. I have already been outside for a few hours, so this is after a few hours me checking in with you, and girl, she's perfect. She's still perfect. Like, look how she looks after a few hours of wear. I would highly recommend this wig, and I cannot wait to straighten it, because we already see it holds a curl. I didn't use any product, and look how deep these waves came out. So yeah, this unit definitely gets my stamp of approval. If I had to rate it, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. The lace came pre-plucked as well as cut for you already, so all you have to do is put the wig on your head. There were no combs, which makes it so comfortable on your head. Like, the combs snag sometimes if you have them in your unit and you're not using them, but girl, this one didn't have combs, and it's so secure on my head. I feel very comfortable, and it's just perfect. Like, this is the perfect wig for me. All right, so I'm gonna have the links to all my pretty hair down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you feel about this wig. Y'all want to try it out? Let me know like what y'all think about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.